Hello kids, welcome to Educate Your Child. See, what is this? Can anyone tell me what is this? It's a peacock. It's a peacock. And what is this? It's a duck. Quack, quack. It's a duck. Yes. And can you tell me what are the features of these two birds? It has a long beak. It has a feathers as well, right? So these all are the birds. Yes. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Educate Your Child. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to study about birds. Okay, what are birds? Birds क्या होते हैं? Birds are the animals that have feathers, wings and beak. Yes, birds वो animals होते हैं जिनकी beak होती है. As you can see here, these have a beak and wings and feathers. They have wings and feathers as well. So that's why they call as a birds. Yes. And one more feature is there that they can fly through the air. ये fly कर सकते हैं. We can't fly. Animals can't fly, but they can fly in the air. Why? Because they have the wings. God has given them the wings to fly. Yes. Okay. And what else? They built a nest. ये nest भी बनाते हैं. Have you ever seen a nest? Have you ever seen nest? Yes, they also built nest. किस purpose के लिए? To lay their eggs and raise their babies. अपने babies को बड़ा करने में और eggs देने के लिए ये nest बनाते हैं. Okay? And what is their food? ये क्या खाते हैं? Their food is seeds, fruits, insects, and some even other animals. They also eat animals as well. Okay, so this is all about the birds. Let's understand this concept with some more examples. Can anyone tell me what is this? Which bird is this? Yes, it's a eagle. Which bird is this? It's a eagle. Parrot. Parrot is green in color with red beak. Yes, it's a parrot. Which bird is this? It's an owl. It's an owl. It's an ostrich. Which bird is this? Ostrich. Hummingbird. Which bird is this? It's a hummingbird. Goose, duck, heron, kingfisher. These all are the birds. Here are some more examples of the birds. It's a keet, sparrow, vulture, peacock, which is the national bird of India. Yes, peacock. This is a peacock. Macaw, crow, pigeon, turkey, and hen. Yes. So these all are the birds. They have a long beak and feathers and wings, and they can fly as well. As you can see in the picture, these birds are flying. Yes. Okay. Now we will do some activity related to bird concept. Look at each bird and unscramble the letters to write its name and in the space provided. So what we have to do, it's unscrambled. The spellings are incorrect. You have to make correct spellings of each bird and you have to write it in the box. Now, which bird is this? It's a parrot. Here I have written Rapport. So what are the spellings of parrot? P-A, parrot. Next is wall. What are the correct spellings of owl? It's a owl now? Yes. O W L, owl. Next is, which bird is this? Can anyone tell me? Eagle. What are the spellings of eagle? E A G L E, eagle. Now which bird is this? It's a crow. What are the spellings of crow? C R O W, crow. Which bird is this? Yes, very good. It's a duck. What are the spellings of duck? D U C K. U says a, C says ka, and K says ka. Duck. D-A-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Now, which bird is this? Yes, it's a pigeon. Pigeon. P-E-G-I-O-N. Pigeon. Very good. Now, which bird is this? Yes, right you are. It's an ostrich. It's one of the largest bird in the world. Ostrich. What are the spellings of ostrich? O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. Put the dot on I. Now next is, which bird is this? Can anyone have an idea? Yes, it's a flamingo. What are the spellings of flamingo? F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O. Flamingo. Yes, very good. Okay students, I hope you understand this concept very well. In case if you have any doubts, then do comment in the comment box. Till then, practice it. Apart from these birds, just look around you and observe what else birds are roaming around you and write it and make a list of it. Is that clear? Till then, bye, take care and have a nice day.